Mayu, the Transmart sector, paano po yung middle class? Ano pong aasahan from the government ng ordinaryong Pilipino na hindi nagka-commute sir but nagda-drive?
No, this is what we are doing. Dito tayo na pinupunta, iniikot sa amin ng mga iba't ibang palengke para tiyakin na ang presyo naman ng pagkain natin ay hindi biglang tataas at nagpapasalamat din kami sa mga bento dahil ay pumayag naman sila na hindi tataas ang presyo at hindi sila mag-price gouging at hindi sila magsasamantala.
Hindi po yan totoo, Mr. President. Tumaas na po ang presyo. Lahat po ng presyo gumalaw pataas. Hindi nyo po yun malalaman, Mr. President. Isang beses lang po kasi kayo umikot sa palengke.
Dito sa krisis na nangyayari sa Middle East. Kaya ay patuloy naman ang pag-inspeksyon natin para tiyakin na ang food supply, hindi lamang ang food supply, kundi ang presyo ng pagkain ay at the very least ay makikita natin na ma-maintain lang natin sa dating level. Titignan natin tuloy-tuloy pa ito dahil hindi natin malaman kung ano katagal ang gera na nasa Iran, nasa Middle East. Kaya lang sa Pilipinas, normal lang muna ang ating mga presyuhan, ating mga vendor, hindi kailangan wag nyo naman samantalan at baka na pang hindi nila ginagawa. Everything is normal and we just keep working to make sure that it stays that way para naman kabuhayan na ating mga kababayan na hindi maapektuhan.
Sir Mayu, the Transmart sector, paano po yung middle class? Ano pong aasahan from the government ng ordinaryong Pilipino na hindi nagka-commute sir but nagda-drive?
No, this is what we are doing. That's why we are looking at the prices. This is for originally Filipinos. So that's the...
Sir, the fuel.
I'm sorry?
Sa fuel, sir, for the Filipinos who don't commute but drive but are still not that well off, what can they expect from the government? How can the government aid them?
We just have to... That's right. That's why we have the authority for the excise tax to move the excise tax. That's why we have asked for several. Also, but what we are worrying about right now is the supply. And the reason we're doing that is that everybody has nagko-conservative sila. So, but right now we don't have a problem sa supply with food. We don't have a problem sa supply with petroleum products, including fertilizer for the farmer. So that's our main concern. So so far we've been able to keep everything at normal levels. Everything is normal.